This right here, you think we could maybe get it in a budget to get us one of these?
Yeah, they're like $8.
It's still. Oh, son, man. You just set this sucker off. Alrighty, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video with our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in beautiful Barcelona red. And in the last video, we did get our fender flares buttoned up. We got our tire pressure monitor sensors out. We showed you the brand new XD wheels that we got. We did send those suckers off to the tire shop. We got the tires put on them. They're all mounted, they're all balanced. So today we're gonna get them stuck on the truck, see how all that fits up. And then we've still got to wire up these beautiful fog lights. And then this big LED light bar. We've been doing a little prep work on that stuff. So we did go ahead and run our new wire. We got a relay here. We got our fuse protection here. And then I ran the wires down in here. So I've got to snake them right through here. I'm gonna get them down there. And this is what we're gonna use to wire up our lights. We're gonna wire these two to the fog light switch of the truck. And we're gonna wire these three to this new switch that I just put in. It's gonna light up the southern sky. This thing gonna be beautiful. Can't wait to see how the wheels look on it. We know we're gonna love it. It may rub a little. We're prepared for that. That's okay. So let's hop to it. Let's get it done. Check out these wheels and tires, man. Those things are massive. We're gonna get them put up on this truck, and check this out. JP just gave me this. Look at this little red star. See the black star? We're gonna take the black star out and put the red star in. We're about to be done with this truck. And if you follow us on Instagram, you already know what we're starting on next. So check us out at Orange Wires 01. Alrighty guys, check it out. Check out this beautiful truck, man. The Barcelona red, the big tank bumper. Man, we're gonna haul some military equipment with this truck. I mean, look at that. Look at the super bright lights. What we did is we run a switch from inside, put it on a relay, put us a fuse on it, and then we brought it down here, we crimped it up, we put some heat shrink on it, we got it all wrapped up. This is on its own switch, and then these right here, these fogs are wired into the fog, so it's got to be on low beam, and then these fog lights will come on. These are brand new headlights that we put in. And then check out the XDs, man, and then JP. Look at that. That is just character. That's what that is. That's taking the extra time, the extra few minutes to make that accent this truck with that little red star. And we did have to trim just a little bit on the fender flare, just a very minor trim to get these 285 5520s. But man, looking at this truck, it is beautiful. And you know, if we have got another build coming right behind this one, and like we said, if you follow us on Instagram at OrangeWires01, you already know what it is. But look at this truck. We can't say enough about it. We absolutely love Toyota Tacomas. I know JP loves them. He drives one. I know CC loves them. He drives one. I mean, we love these trucks. And I currently don't have one to drive. Maybe I'll drive this one. Maybe we'll find another one. Who knows, you know. But check us out. Check this thing out. Let us know if you like it. Let us know if you like the wheels. Or maybe you hate the wheels. Let us know. You know, we like them. I think JP picked them out. They turned out really good. But you know what? It's pouring down the rain. It's supposed to snow today. I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. But go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.